Zeiss Victory Pocket 10 by 25 review. How can something this tiny be so epic? Ever felt stuck squinting through subpar binoculars that just don't cut it in the wild? You're out there, birds chirping, mist rolling in, and bam! Your optics fog up, or worse, give you that blurry mess that ruins the moment. Whether you're a birder, backpacker, or trailblazing nature nerd, it's brutal when your gear lets you down. Add the weight of clunky binoculars or gear that screams, "I belong in a museum," and suddenly the joy of exploring turns into frustration and regret. You want crisp views, not aching shoulders or disappointing visuals. Let's fix that. Because here's the truth, it gets old fast. Wasted time refocusing junk optics, missing that rare eagle dive, or fumbling through gear in the rain? Welcome to nature's version of Murphy's Law. Bad gear will betray you at the worst moment, just when the owl blinks or the deer peeks from the trees. And let's not even start on airport security delays from oversized optics. One missed moment becomes a memory never captured. Stress builds. You doubt your tools, your timing, your prep. That silent pressure eats away at your love for the wild. Unfair, right? Now meet the Zeiss Victory Pocket 10 by 25, the little legend making waves. This featherweight titan delivers huge performance in a form so compact, it'll vanish into your jacket. We're talking 91% light transmission, razor-sharp clarity even in twilight, and a lens coating, low-tech, so slick that rain just slides off. Birdwatchers and hikers are freaking out over its phase-corrected prisms, ultra-stable asymmetrical bridge, and that buttery smooth focus knob. Reviews say it outperforms giants like Leica and Swarovski in a David vs. Goliath optical showdown. Finally, a luxury bino that doesn't need a neck brace or suitcase to go with it. Imagine locking eyes with a hawk mid-flight or spotting that rare thrush at dusk, without squinting or struggling. The Zeiss Victory Pocket helps you experience nature in vibrant, cinematic detail. Verified buyers rave about the lightweight build, insane clarity, and weatherproof design. "I carry it everywhere," says one birder. The clarity is astonishing for something this small. All About Birds gave it top marks for brightness and close focus. Whether you're hitting the Himalayas or hiking your local park, this is the go-to gear for people who take their optics seriously. Curious? You should be. Dive in and see what you've been missing. But heads up, these pocket dynamos are flying off shelves. Stock is limited and word's spreading fast. If you're serious about wildlife, travel, or just having mind-blowing clarity on demand, now's the time to act. Don't settle for foggy vision or missed moments. Join thousands who've already made the leap into Zeiss precision. By now, secure your Victory Pocket and reclaim the thrill of crisp, clean viewing wherever your journey takes you. This isn't just an upgrade. It's an awakening. Tap that button. Claim clarity. Make nature yours again.